the biological tax you're paying for high performance. Now, if your company operated with the same level of inefficiency as your nervous system, I bet you would have fired yourself years ago. And that's what I really don't understand. You demand precision in the boardroom, yet you tolerate a massive operational deficit in your own head. You're managing millions, maybe billions in assets, but it feels like you're a beggar in your own biology. And it's showing up, definitely in your health, and it's definitely showing up in the bedroom, right? You keep trying to outsource the problem though. You go to gurus, you biohacks, protocols, retreats, hoping someone will hand you the missing lever, the missing code. But the noise just gets louder and louder. Well, it's because most of what's been sold is symptom management. And while you manage symptoms, the source, it just keeps burning you away. At Exponential Intelligence Research, we're researching something deeper than optimization. We're researching spherical success, the ability to scale results without liquidating the operator. You can look at history. It's littered with people who built empires and lived in the slums of their own self-worth. They sacrificed health, intimacy, presence, thinking that, they're going to buy it back later. But you can't. You can't buy back a liquidated self. I'm MasAti. At XI Metascience, we don't hack biology. We apply the physics of the consciousness that creates it. My research is a field report from 3 near-death experiences. It's the most extreme environment a human system can survive. I'll come back to tell about it. It's a lot like Nikola Tesla. He brought back blueprints from an altered state, right? Well, I came back with something specific, a map of the structural architecture of the human system. So you don't have to sacrifice one part of your life to improve another. And that's why this isn't motivation. It's a biological audit. Here's the deal. I'm opening the XI Total Human Reset Summit as a pure research initiative. It's completely free because it's a filter. We use 48 hours, 2 days to test drive the protocols with you. And if you don't feel a definitive baseline reset, less noise, better sleep, stronger presence, you just walk and we're good. And that's not about satisfaction. It just helps us both because it purifies the data set. We're not here for everybody. But if your identity is built on grind, you'll probably reject this. That's totally fine. This cohort is for coherence. But within those 2 days, if you do feel the reset, if you realize your success no longer has to come at the cost of your humanity, well, imagine what 90 days does for your empire. So stop paying the biological tax. Step into the filter.